we tried to put this handle on it, and for some reason we cannot get it latched. I mean, it's almost impossible. I'm gonna show you right here. This is the door handle out of another Fusion, but this is the housing in the back part right here. The problem is when somebody pull the handle out, then you twist this to lock it. This is adjusted, and this is when you gotta pull it. And then the handle's out. And this got locked right here. If this is not locked right there in place, you cannot put the door handle. I'll show you. Right here. Make a click. By itself. It go in.
Ok, ahora cómo van a... Si se les...
Start with the block.